Hi, Max German Japanese car, 15020 Oxnard Street, Sherman Oaks, California, 91411. Call or text 310-804-4185. I'll meet or beat any eBay price. Exact same I should post this video. To let you guys know that the Caeb short block and the Cbfa short block are the same. I took an 09 Audi A4 and I'm doing an engine on it, so what I did is I had a very low mileage short block out of a Cbfa 09 Audi A3, and the short blocks, not the oil pans, not the oil pumps, but the actual short block, crank, pistons, and the block are the same. So you can take the oil pump off a Cbfa oil pan, intermediate oil pan, and put it on a Caeb short block. So Caeb and Cbfa 2.0T short blocks are the same. They're interchangeable. The heads are different and many of the components are different, but the short blocks are the same. Max German car, 15020 Oxnard Street, Sherman Oaks, California, 91411. Call or text 310-804-4185. Thank you.